In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add warehouse address in TikTok Shop. If you ship products through TikTok Shop, your warehouse address tells the system where orders are prepared for pickup and where carriers should come. Getting this right helps avoid delivery delays, misrouted parcels, and returns going to the wrong place, so accuracy matters. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account. Make sure you're signed in as a seller and you're on the seller side, not just the regular TikTok app feed. You can do this through the app or the seller dashboard in your browser, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, look for the shop icon. This is your entry point to your store tools, orders, and settings. Tap or click the shop icon to continue. Next, go to My Account. This is your profile area for business details and store configurations. From there, open Account Settings. You'll see options related to your business information, shipping preferences, and other operational controls. Inside Account Settings, select Warehouse Settings. This is where you'll tell TikTok Shop where your inventory is stored and processed. Now it's time to enter your address. Type the full street address exactly as recognized by your local postal system, including unit or suite numbers if you have them. Choose the correct city, state or region, and the postal or zip code. Select the right country as well. If the form asks for a contact name or phone number for the warehouse, provide the person or line that carriers can reliably reach during pickup hours. Keep everything consistent with what your shipping carriers and labels use. Small mismatches can cause scanning or pickup issues. Double-check spellings and numbers before you proceed. Make sure the postal code matches the city and avoid using PO boxes for a warehouse, since carriers usually need a physical pickup location. If there's a map preview, confirm the PIN is on the correct building. If your warehouse has restricted access or specific loading instructions, add those in any available notes field so drivers know where to go. It's also helpful to align the business name shown at this address with what appears on your shipping labels and invoices. And remember, if your business moves, come back to warehouse settings and update this information right away to prevent service interruptions. That's it. By opening your TikTok Shop account, navigating through the shop icon to My Account, then Account Settings, then Warehouse Settings, and carefully entering your warehouse address, you'll ensure orders are routed smoothly and pickups happen where they should. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store.